yoyote, si ndio?
Wach maliteni Japuonjre achiel masomo mbalariany ma Kibabii kaachiel kod apisa mago masiro tije apisas NPR onegi kod jonjore moting'o ligangla e gweng' ma Kiriamet Saimo Ward e kaunti ma Baringo North. Japuonjre no ne ochiel ng'ute kod magina kendo nowito ngimane kanyo gi kanyo ka apisa mar NPR nowito ngimane e yo kilaw kode kar thieth. Ripot nyiso ni joma undugo pod opondo e alworano kendo jodak makanyo koro chuno ni omany kuonde resruok e gwenge mamoko. Gavana ma Baringo Benjamin Cheboyi kaachiel kod jaod bura ma Baringo North Joseph Makilab okwedo monjno ka giwacho ni oduoko chien dongruok mane osetim e weche kwe e alworano kuom dweche 6 mosekalo. Monjno ne otimore odiechienge 2 bang' jatend migawo ma jolweny Aden Duale wuotho Kipnai kama ne osingo ne jodak makanyo arita maber.
Wameua huyu mtoto na huyu mtoto yangu ni mtoto wa shule, angeenda hata shule leo, lakini huyu ni university. Sasa tumepoteza mtu wa maana na tumepoteza watu wawili, na hao watu ni watu wadogo. Na hii tunataka kuuliza serikali, sisi ni wanyama au sisi ni watu?
Kama huyo kijana wa university is the only person in this village inaitwa Kosile mwenye amekanyaga mguu yake imekanyaga university. So alikuwa third year, amebakisha mwaka moja amalize shule Kibabii University.
Hii maneno ya attacks hawa wachukulii kama ni kazi. To me, I believe security supersedes any activities that we do.
We are calling upon the government, first of all, to target the criminals who are perpetuating these heinous crimes. Arrest individual criminals. The moment we arrest and prosecute or deal with them in the whatever manner is possible, then we shall be able to solve the problem. But when the criminals know that they can be able to get away with murder, they will do it with abandon.
We've suffered in the hands of bandits for too long. Even to a situation now where we have no livestock, we have nothing, but the people are being killed for nothing. Up to including the NBRs that were given by Kintiki about 6 months ago. And the same NBRs are the ones who gave us, who actually been able to restore peace and order in that particular area. And we had even some peaceful engagement with the MB for Tiati, Kamket, where they devolved a working relationship. This is again wasting our energies, wasting our relationship that we've courted for some time. I'll call my counterpart to actually bring those culprits to book. Otherwise, we want to call the agencies to move with speed and do a proper operation around that area.
Yeah,